the preparedness to roll out this system nationally. The challenge has been that we don't have a live cadastre, and that is, if you look at Muranga should have actually gone live almost a year ago. But because of the amendments that we needed to do with our maps, most of our maps were outdated, and we needed to send a team first that came and amended all the maps, amended over all our RIMs, uploaded the maps into a live cadastre, where now the non-spatial data, which is the attributes associated to the land, that is the ownership of the land, the size of the land, you know, the georeferencing part of it, can now be uploaded to the cadastre. So we didn't have that cadastre. That still remains a challenge in many parts of the country, but we are working on ensuring that now we have a cadastre. As I've said, we are now having a surveyors in Isiolo working on the cadastre for Isiolo, and the team that is scanning documents, so that while the survey is working and is completed immediately, then the other attributes are uploaded, and then we can go live. Same to Mombasa, same to Machakos. We have a projection. Let's see, maybe within the next 5 years, we will assess ourselves how we fare. But we target to roll the entire country at least within the next 5 years. Yeah. Yes, we have had challenges with scrupulous people who've been interfering with records, and that's why the rollout of digitization is really important to us. We have people, the formerly known as cartels, that are interfering with records, either internally or externally. We have taken a firm position as a ministry that anyone that is caught, my officers have instruction, anyone who comes with a fake document should be reported immediately to the police and arrested. And we have taken strict disciplinary action against our officers who are found to be interfering with the records. But most importantly, the process that we are undertaking today is a process that will ensure that there is no interference of records, because once the records have been uploaded to the system, there is traceability, and you cannot change someone's record before they approve it,